and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative.
And welcome back to another episode of Creative Cats with me, Sauerpuss. This month, we'll be drawing creative cats. Each Friday episode, I will be drawing different types of kitty cats. So if you're ready, I will be drawing a simple kitty cat. All you need today is a black marker or a pencil. You can find today's drawing on sourpussandfriends.com in the activities section under printables. And if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. For this simple kitty cat, we will begin using one of my favorite shapes, the circle. There are so many things that you can draw using circles. So let's begin by drawing one circle for the head, like this. Now we will draw one more circle, a little bit larger, for the body, like this. Next, we will draw the kitty cat's 2 ears. And typically the kitty cat's ears look like triangles. Let's add 2 ears on top of the first circle, like this. Next, we will draw the kitty cat's nose with a small triangle, like this. And after we draw the nose, we will draw the kitty cat's mouth. I will do this by drawing 2 curved lines with smile marks, like this. Next, we will draw the kitty cat's eyes. And for this kitty, we will use 2 curved lines to indicate the eyes. This kitty is very content. Perhaps you can even hear the kitty purr. Next, we will draw our kitty to look like she is sitting straight up, drawing simple legs and front paws. Next, we will draw 2 legs in the back of the kitty to indicate that she's sitting down. And next, we will give the kitty cat a nice curvy tail, like this. And to finish off this simple drawing of a kitty cat, we will draw whiskers on each side of the kitty's mouth. We'll draw 3 on this side and 3 whiskers on the other. And here we have a simple little kitty cat drawn using 2 circles.
That looks really good, Sauerpuss! Way to go!
Why, thank you, Penning the Pencils. After finishing this sketch, if you'd like, you can always color it in. Take a look at how I've colored in this little kitty cat using Adobe Photoshop. I sure hope you've enjoyed this kitty cat drawing with me, Sauerpuss. See you next time, and remember to
Be creative!
Thank you to all of our new subscribers.
Be sure to visit us at sourpussandfriends.com today. See you next time!